So Ego Pharmaceuticals has led the way in development, manufacture and marketing of skincare products for nearly 70 years now. And within my team, we are there to build the digital capabilities and analytics for the business. And we've found that the market is really dry at the moment to get that skill and talent. Swati came through the data and digital marketing stream of the Digital Jobs program. And she's been a real great asset in supporting our performance reports for our websites and general marketing across our 14 countries.
So not only do we get a great subsidy out of having Swati in the team, but we also get additional resourcing and someone who's really able to step up quite quickly and willing to learn and use her past knowledge, especially from her past study at RMIT Online, and hit the ground running really.
As part of the Digital Jobs program, I offered a placement with Ego, and after completing my 3 months, I got my internship extended for another 3 months. So that was again a big opportunity that I received from the Digital Jobs program and after completing my RMIT Online course.
Overall, the experience with the Digital Jobs program has been fantastic. We've been able to have a greater speed to market, expand our advanced analytics across more countries that Ego operate within, been able to grow leadership opportunities within the team. So for me, it's been an absolutely amazing opportunity and we've been very thankful to be a part of it.